Okay, so today's Tuesday, and you have 2 on the front and 2 on the back. And so the directions for this are to remember your steps for GMA. Remember, we have our groupings, which would be any parentheses or brackets first. We have our multiplicative actions, which would be any multiplying or dividing, whichever you see first from left to right. And then finally our additives, which would be any adding or subtracting, whichever you see left to right. So one thing that I noticed that some of the boys and girls are doing is they're not rewriting each step, and it is necessary to be able to write all the steps. That's just being a good mathematician. So when I see this, I see that this is 12 parentheses 18, so that means 12 times 18 plus 100 divided by 20. Alright, now that I have it written out, I have 1, 2, 3 steps for solving, 3 lines to get the answer. Okay, and so the very first thing that I would do would be to multiply. And so you're going to multiply and get that answer, and you're going to drop everything else down. Okay? Now if you don't know 12 times 18, then what you want to do is just step to the side and multiply it real quickly and get your answer. Then plug it back into your GMA so that you're able to solve and get a final answer. Over here, we have adding, subtracting, dividing, and multiplying. So we want to 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to draw 4 lines for solving. We're going to start with our groupings. There are no groupings, so we would start with our division first and rewriting that here and making sure that we drop each piece down one by one. Okay, and then the very next thing you're going to want to do is multiply and drop each piece down. Okay, I'm going to let you go back and solve this piece and then solve this piece so that you're able to get an answer. Okay, and then on the back you're going to do the same thing. We have 1, 2, 3 lines for solving, because we have 3 actions, and over here we have 1, 2, 3 actions, so 3 lines for solving. Okay.